We're in a gas shortage, bro. Leave that thing here. My little cousin Eddie over there. What is up, everybody? It's your boy.
What up?
Alright, cool guy. We know you have a V8. What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to the video. Alright, so this is a pretty exciting video. We are finally gonna go pick up the giveaway truck and see the paint job. Oh man, I'm freaking excited. So we got Mike here, Ramon, Renee, and we're gonna go pick up the truck from Gutierrez, but he took it home, so we're gonna pick it up from his house. Man, I can't wait to show you guys the paint. It's gonna be freaking awesome. We got all the filming gear and everything, so let's get it. Shotgun. What words do you have for the subscribers about the paint job color?
Be ready for it. Be ready. It's gonna be beautiful.
What about you, Ramon?
I'm excited.
Woo!
Oh yeah.
Huh? What about you? What do you
excited.
have to tell them about it?
Excited. Whoever's gonna win is gonna love it. That's all I gotta say.
Color, can't wait to see it. I'm excited.
Mike's over here about to hit the wall. Yeah. Wait until the music starts. Alright guys, we are now in Corona and we're probably like 3 minutes away from the house where Gutierrez lives, and we're gonna see the truck right now.
Mike's like really in the mood.
Alright guys, we're on the last turn. The house is like 3 houses away. We're about to see how it looks.
How exciting.
Man.
I'm fucking truly in my hand. I'm excited. I'm about to jump out the car and I'm gonna fall.
Where is it?
Oh, you gotta pass the stop, my bad.
Wow, you said 3 houses.
Damn.
I said 3 streets,
Wow,
not
you're
houses.
You said 3 houses.
Cool.
Damn.
Look, there it is right there.
Where?
Right there on the left.
Where?
The GMC.
What?
This GMC right here is talking about.
What the fuck?
They converted the front end and lifted it.
Oh, I think it's parked across the street at the school. Oh shit, it is!
It is that
Oh shit! Oh, it's parked next to his truck. Wait, whose truck is it? It's blue, right?
Yeah.
That's his.
Oh yeah, that's his truck, blue.
Oh man. Yeah, they put new rims on it?
Damn! What the fuck? Oh shit!
Which is this house? This one?
This next one. Park
over
over there.
That's just fucking sick.
Oh no, I'm not gonna show it to him till the reveal video.
Dude.
Your brother?
Fuck!
Oh my god, that's just fire.
Fuck! Let's go see it.
I'm driving it home.
Everybody wants to drive it home. Fuck! Dude. What the fuck? That's just fucking badass. Damn. Just needs a wash. You heard us? Fuck, guys. Fuck. Oh, the wing!
Oh, it looks different. Hell yeah.
Dude. I'm showing it to you guys, but in black and white. You guys will see the actual reveal with music and everything, so. But look at that wing. The bumper. Color matched. What do you got to tell them about the paint job, man?
Well, the paint job, I mean, check it out. It looks pretty good. The truck did have a lot of imperfections, but we made it look as best as possible for the time we had. But overall, I mean, it's a badass truck. Whoever wins is taking a badass truck, because you guys haven't seen the color yet, but when you guys see it, I mean, it's a pretty badass truck.
Hell yeah.
I wish he would give it to me, but he doesn't want to give it to me. So.
Bro, you already got that one over there. Look at that. Damn. Fucking 600 wheel horsepower. Oh yeah, guys. Make sure you guys give him a follow, okay?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, guys. I'm gonna get the good camera on here and get ready to freaking hang out the window, and he's already in the truck. Hang out the window and get a good video shoot for you guys. So enjoy the reveal, guys. Enjoy it. Hope you guys like the color. Zam.
Homage got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe, got the vibe.
All right, good morning everybody. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video and hopefully you guys like the paint job. Man, I definitely love how it looks, so hope you guys do too. Man, that thing looks so good. So yeah, we ended up going with the Nardo gray off the Chargers with black accents. So we're gonna change up that banner to match the paint, kind of like the top banner. But man, this thing looks freaking great, man. I know a few of you guys responded to the last video. I told you guys about the paint job. Should we paint this bed liner black so it can match the truck? Well, from the beginning, I'm not really a fan of black bed liner or black beds in general. I mean, red. I'm not a fan of red bed liner or red beds in general, so I really want to change it to black. But if you guys prefer me not to, let me know and we'll leave it red. I do want to change it to black, and if you guys agree, leave a comment just so it could match that exterior paint job. But we'll see. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys love this reveal, and see you guys next time. Peace out everybody. TCB. Damn. Which breed?
Menudo, bro.
Damn. Fuck.
All that alcohol we be drinking.
A los crudos.